Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, we're down in the studio and we've got Veterans Day weekend here, 2023 kicking off this Friday morning. We've got coffee in hand. Actually, got a little late start getting in here this morning. Probably about 4:30. But gonna talk right now. We're looking at the radar, and we've had some rain overnight. I know it was drizzling on me as I was coming in this morning. I stopped and got gas at the big store, and was gonna shoot some video on the way in of some night stuff I'm working on, and it was drizzly out, so I decided to wait. But we've got a lot of people have, or some people have a 3-day weekend, and we've got a big event going on this weekend, kicking off tomorrow, actually, and that's the Bolivar Peninsula Showcase of Homes. And this is a new event here on Bolivar. It's hosted by 110 Realty Group, and it's really going to be a one-stop shop when it comes, if you're thinking about buying a beach house, if you're thinking about getting into investment property, maybe a short-term rental. House prices are starting to come down a little bit. We've got a huge surplus of homes down here. And so this is a good time to get out. And this isn't just a realtor showing some homes. Beth's gone to extensive research, and she's been involved with Showcase of Homes in Waxahachie before. And when I asked her about doing one, um, she said, "Man, that'd be great," and jumped on board and took over everything. And so, not only does she have about 6 or 10 homes that are going to be open, people are going to be there to answer any questions, but she's also brought in people that you use when you buy a house, like Service First Mortgage. They're going to be there to answer any questions and talk about financing. Southland Title, local business here, in fact, right next to the tourism center. And then she's got George with Bolivar Vacations. If someone's looking at getting into the short-term rental business, he's been in it. He's successful in it. You've got an insurance agent here to talk about insurance and what you can expect when you purchase a home. Dan Priest with Priest Insurance. And then you've got some builders. You've got Brent, Prestige, and we do shows with Prestige Custom Builders, Walls Family Builders, and then Stingray. I know they've donated to some of the door prizes. And the great part is the way this is set up is you're going to go to their office, to 110 Realty Group's brand new office here on Highway 87 at 2056 Highway 87. It's catty corner from the big store. You'll see flags out, and you'll pick up a packet. And this packet has, each page has information on each home and also a map. And that way you can get to the home, you can tour the home, look at it, maybe pick up ideas from each home if you're wanting to have a builder build you a home. And this is a great way to get out and see the homes, enjoy them. And then when you're done, at the end, at each home, you'll get your sheet signed and you'll turn it in. And they're going to give away, the big prize is a weekend beachfront home for you and your family, or you and your girlfriends, or maybe a guy's weekend, whatever you want. But they're giving away a free beachfront vacation rental. So, like I said, this is the first one. This is the fall edition. And it's going to be Veterans Day weekend every year. And then we've got already planned, Beth has already planned a spring edition, and that's going to be March 2nd, 2024. Times may change a little bit. I'd like to see it start about 10. She said 11. She's the boss. But it goes to 4 p.m., and then we'll have more information on that once we get to the first of the year. But this is a great way to, this is just something, another reason why 110 Realty Group is one of the leaders in home sales down here, and showcasing homes, promoting your homes, because with the market we have now, you can't just list a home and it's going to sell. You have to have someone that's going to promote it, that works with different businesses, and also groups, investment groups. And so this is a great way to get out and see the homes. Like I said, she's got about, I think, 10 homes that she's going to have up. And I haven't got the update on it. But it's a great way tomorrow from 11 to 4. Kicks off at 2056 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. And remember, you can get information. You can see her show, excuse me, anytime on our YouTube channel. And this is Bolivar Live TV's YouTube channel. You can also find us on Roku and Amazon Fire, or you can just type in bolivarlivetv.com and it'll take you straight to the channel. And that way you can keep up on our real estate show. Beth has a show that we do every Monday morning at 10:30, and we talk, either showcase a home or we talk the market report the first Monday of each month, talk about the previous month. And so we're excited about that. In fact, Monday's show, we're going to be talking about a couple RV ports that are for sale on the canal and a home for sale. So anyway, there's what your radar looks like. We're going to head on out. We've got to get some more coffee in us. Man, it's been a heck of a week down here. I just can't get going this morning. But we're going to be out and about tomorrow during the showcase of homes, stopping by different homes, stopping by 110 Realty Group's office, and may have some giveaways, maybe some tumblers or coffee cups or something. You never know. So anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you down here. And remember, it's oyster season. Stingery Restaurant has their Oysters Jubilee going on right now. Jose's had their all-you-can-eat last night. In fact, every Thursday evening they're going to have all-you-can-eat, and they have their Oysters Roundup platter. We shot some clips down there. We'll show you at his show on Wednesday afternoon. But Stingery's got the Oysters Jubilee. Brad and I did a show on Wednesday talking a little bit about that, but you need to go watch it, because we're doing some shows with him, diving into Stingery Restaurant and what you can expect as a travel destination. So got some great food down there, and Jose's. So come on down this weekend, enjoy Veterans Day weekend. Maybe look for some shark's teeth on the beachfront. Dodge a little bit of rain. I don't think it's going to be bad, but I think we may have some drizzles and some showers on and off, and we need it here in Southeast Texas. So anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and we'll see you on the Upper Texas coast for Veterans Day weekend 2023. God bless, and bye-bye.